we need dry whites. We need 2 of them. But a little later, we're going to use the other white. So first, we have to cut the white. So first, you start with some designs. So first, you can add any designs first. Like me. Start with the other part now. It is a little bit sticky. It is a little hard. So now, we're gonna start with to put this part like this. Make sure this part goes down. So now we have to go. You can now decorate it whatever you like. So now we're gonna do any color you like. So if you want to follow me, you can just. So now we can start with the rose. Now we're gonna making roses. It's a little bit hard. Make a rose and a white. That's it. Don't forget that we need a dry white. Now, I'm gonna add a little bit of roses because I like it. That's something else. So now, I draw these stuff. Now, you can start with the hole. So first, you get your scissors again. This is going to be a little bit easier. A little bit hard. So you have to pinch, like fold it and pinch it. So like that. And then you can put your finger in. And then you start pushing. Okay, be careful so that it doesn't go on and on. So go like that. Okay, now it's time for the next one. These are going to be kind of like where you put the ones through. Now you can stretch it like the same thing you did. So now we have done some holes. We're almost ready. If you want to decorate it, you can. So you can write your names. And then almost done because we also have to make the hoodie. So now we're going to lay down another white. I'm going to keep that here. And then now we're going to cut. So after you have to make a hoodie, you can make some lines so that someone knows. So this is like you can cut this out like this. So now we're gonna need tape. But I did forget some tape. So now I got the tape. Now I'm not good at cutting it, so I'm gonna do it with scissors instead. Now, after you're done, get back your jacket, which is for me. Now, you stick it on. So, first, you stick it on to the top, but not on the bottom where this part is, on the up part. Now, just place it on. Now, you get the tape. Now, you can slowly and steady. So now, we have taped it. We have to do some decorations. But you can also use some of these kind of stickers, which look nice. You can use them to start with these if you like, but I'm not doing it because I don't kind of want to. Because I made it. After you're done, you're almost done with the stairs. One more thing. You can just test it on your doll. So first you try to fit them their whole there, and then this is a jacket, so you can test it out, like how it looks like. So now on the other side we're going to put it on. So let me see this, because I've done this before. It's a little
So cute!
A little tiny. So this is the back, this is the front. And you can also flip this over because I accidentally forgot to flip this, but that worked. Now we're gonna make a skirt like this one which I made, and you can color it any color. So first we get a piece of paper and scissors, and then we slowly cut it straight down, not like this way, not this way, this way. So we're going to start with this way. So it is my first time making a video. So now we have made this part. We're gonna size it on our dolls. But if you have a small doll, you can try with this side if it fits your doll. Otherwise, you don't need to watch it. So now we have this. You have to color it. Let's put that away. You can color any color. My favorite color is teal and pink, but I think teal. We need a piece of paper so that doesn't get on the table. Now, we color. So we're gonna color the whole thing, whatever your color. But you can also do some other color on the other side of it, or you can make some more, put some stickers on it. But I don't think I really want stickers. Let me try to scribble nicely. I've done art before. So now we have done it. We're gonna put some decoration if you like. But if you don't want to, then for me. So first you lay down it on the I think on the back. No, on the front. And then you get some tape. So I'm going to cut it now. You need a little tiny piece of paper. But this time you have to stick it like this. So it's supposed to go straight. Now we're gonna get your doll, and then we're gonna put this all the way behind. put it as tight as it wants so that it doesn't fall off. I'll put it as tight so it all is. So there we go. All tightened up. Now make sure it's fine. Put it off, and then you're all finished up. So now we're gonna put on the jacket to see if it looks good enough. You have to lay it down and then put on spoon. Good. Now we're gonna put on spoon. And see how it looks. I bet it's gonna be nice. Cute. It's like cute now. So we have the hoodie here. And we have the skirt down there. Like everything needs it. Sometimes it sticks all the way. But if it doesn't stick, that's alright. So now you have a jacket.